Power outages can be more than just an inconvenience. They can disrupt your entire life. That's why having a reliable whole house generator is one of the smartest investments you can make. In this video, we'll take you through the top 5 whole house generators available on Amazon right now. We begin with one of the most powerful and feature-rich options available, the Generac Guardian 26 kilowatt home standby generator. This unit delivers a massive 26,000 watts of backup power, more than enough to run your entire home, including HVAC systems, refrigerators, sump pumps, lighting, and even heavy-duty appliances. It comes with a 200-amp automatic transfer switch, which instantly shifts your home's power source from grid to generator when an outage is detected. The generator also features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to monitor system status and maintenance alerts from anywhere using the Mobile Link app. Built with a corrosion-resistant all-aluminum enclosure, it's made to withstand harsh weather and last for years. This is the go-to model for homeowners who want complete peace of mind and zero compromises during a blackout. Next is the Generac Guardian 22 kilowatt home standby generator, which offers a slightly lower output but still delivers a strong 22,000 watts of power. Like its 26 kilowatt sibling, it includes a 200 amp transfer switch and Wi-Fi capabilities, making it just as convenient and user-friendly. The 22 kilowatt model is a great match for most medium to large homes, providing enough juice to keep all essential systems running, including multiple air conditioning units, major appliances, and home office equipment. Its quiet operation and compact footprint make it a favorite for suburban homes, where space and noise levels matter. This model offers incredible value without sacrificing performance or reliability. Our third pick is the Generac Guardian 18 kilowatt home standby generator, designed to offer whole home protection for mid-sized homes while maintaining the same intelligent features as the higher wattage models. It includes the 200 amp transfer switch and remote monitoring features via Wi-Fi, and its durable build ensures long-term performance in all weather conditions. The 18 kilowatt model strikes a balance between power, price, and efficiency, making it ideal for homeowners who don't need the full capacity of 22 kilowatt or 26 kilowatt units but still want the confidence of automatic, whole home backup. It's a dependable option that consistently earns high ratings from users across the country. For smaller homes or those looking to power just the essentials, the Generac Guardian 10 kilowatt standby generator offers a more affordable yet reliable solution. This unit generates 10,000 watts, enough to keep lights, refrigerators, Wi-Fi routers, sump pumps, and some climate control systems operating during an outage. Although it doesn't include a transfer switch by default, it's fully compatible with Generac's automatic systems. Like its larger siblings, it supports Wi-Fi connectivity for remote management and features a weather-resistant aluminum casing. This generator is a smart choice for those living in areas with frequent but brief outages or for homes that simply don't have high energy demands. Rounding out our list is a slightly different option, the DuroMax XP13000 EH dual fuel portable generator. While it's not a traditional standby generator, it's an incredibly popular choice because of its flexibility and affordability. It delivers up to 13,000 starting watts and can operate on either gasoline or propane. That dual fuel capability gives homeowners a serious advantage during extended outages when fuel availability might be unpredictable. It also features an electric start, a heavy-duty frame, and is transfer switch ready so you can wire it into your home's circuits as a backup source. While it's not automatic like the Generac models, it provides an excellent middle ground for homeowners who want serious power without the cost of a permanent installation. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the description below. Stay prepared, stay powered, and make sure your home is never left in the dark.